morning, JMB. Today's Thursday, March 8th. I'm Caroline Gilmore.
And I'm Joey McChilton.
Attention, spring athletes. A reminder that parking is not allowed on the bus ramp until the buses have left for the day. Seniors, Jostens will be at school today during lunches to deliver graduation announcements and class ranks. Caps and gowns will be delivered at a later date in May. If you have a balance due, Jostens will only be accepting cash or money orders. Cap and gown orders will also be accepted with full payment. Please pick up a copy of the cap and gown order form in the office. Jostens will also be taking ring orders for all classes. Attention summer and post-high school job seekers, come out to get hired on Wednesday, March 28th from 2 to 5 p.m. at the Wacomico Youth and Civic Center. There, you can find a job, a summer job, or a post-graduation job. Mark your calendar now for Wednesday, March 28th.
SWAC, the Salisbury-Wacomico Arts Council, is in need of volunteers to help them move throughout March. This is an opportunity to earn service hours, and for more information, contact artsforshore@gmail.com. Have any old t-shirts that you don't use anymore? Any old socks that you might not have a pair? Miss Dowdy's classes may have a solution for you. Her classes are working on an upcycling project, and they need old and unused articles of clothing to make different things. These include chew toys, caps for cancer patients are going through rounds of chemo, and many more. These will be ultimately donated to a good causes such as the Humane Societies and cancer treatment centers in the area. But for that to happen, we need your help. Drop-off location is in Miss Dowdy's room, A109. The Elks Oratorical Contest is now open to juniors and seniors. Also, the Optimist and Retired Teacher Scholarship applications are due today to Miss Rogers.
The class of 2020 is selling Panera bread coupon stripes for $10. There are two kinds of coupons to choose from. Coupons are good at all Maryland Panera locations. See a class officer, Mrs. Schuhart in A125, or Mrs. Webster in G120 for more information. All orders are due by tomorrow. Coupons will be delivered on Wednesday, March 21st. Congratulations to Michael Avanesian, Aiden Kelly, and Christina Sun on being JMB's top scorers for the American Math Competition 12, and Marvin Lee, Young Julie, and Simon Lewis for being JMB's top scorers for the American Math Competition 10. See Mrs. Slatcher if you want to know your score.
The 2018 JMB baseball team will be hosting its first annual Hit-A-Thon and Black and Red game this Saturday at 11. Come out and see the team in action for the first time this season and enter a raffle to see who will win the longest ball competition. Unfortunately, there were insufficient ticket sales, so the Sadie Hawkins dance is canceled. Stay tuned for details on getting a refund if you bought tickets.
I used to be on my phone all the time in class. My grades were lowering and I got in trouble so much. But now, after I stopped using my phone, I got a 4.5 GPA, got into Harvard, and now I'm doing better than ever when I'm not using my phone. Get off your phone. Don't use your phone.
And that's all we have for you today, JMB.
Have a
great day, JMB.